for racing, race number 7. Racing just is started. We have something new. First to show quickness at the start. Teresa's Magic is on the outside. Shut up, Madam Leonora comes next. Then on the inside, Be My Baby. Let to win. Then comes Friendly Fire. Next on Lena is Grand Gain. Apple Green second less. While Presidential is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have something new by about 3 lengths. Like to win in second. Teresa's Magic is on the outside. 3 lengths further back in fourth comes Shut Up, Be My Baby. Madam Leonora comes next. Then followed by Grand Game, Friendly Fire, Presidential, while Apple Green now racing in less. Back to the leader. We have Teresa's Magic now takes command by a length and a half, and in second is something new. Like to win is racing in third. Shut Up now trying to get closer in fourth. Be My Baby comes next. Friendly Fire, Presidential, then next on line is Madam Leonora. One game while Apple Green is still running at the tail of the field. And they are now entering the home stretch. Teresa's Magic by about 2 lengths. And in second is Shut Up, something you like to win as they swing for home. Teresa's Magic by only a length and a half. Down inside, Shut Up, like to win. Last 100 meters, we have Teresa's Magic by about 3 lengths. Our like to win, and finally Teresa's Magic like to win. Then comes Shut Up, Friendly Fire close. Something you and Presidential.
Teresa's Magic na